Y'all know I'm an outdoor pillow. I buy indoor pillowcases and I treat them and put them outside if I can't find just what I want. And I bought these and it occurred to me that I've never shown you guys how to stuff a pillowcase. I know that seems like duh, but let me tell you, I've been with some clients and I've seen them stuff some pillowcases. And it's interesting to watch. So I wanted to show you guys how I do it, especially in a situation where you have an 18 by 18 pillowcase, but you have a 20 by 20 insert, which is what this is. It's much bigger. It ends up being a really tight look, and this is the look that I like for a lot of my pillows. I don't like for the case to look like it's way too big for the pillow, and so how do you do that? How do you shove that big old pillow in this little tiny pillowcase? It's super easy, and let me tell you where I learned this from. Martha Stewart, because she's a genius. What I like to do is to, wherever your tag is, if you don't rip off your tag, some people like to just rip them off, but if you don't, I like to put those in so they don't get caught in the zipper whenever you're zipping things up. But you do a karate chop right through the center, you fold it over your arm like this, squeeze the ends, pinch the ends, you got your unzipped pillow here, and you want to shove it all the way to the back. Put this down on the table so I can do it. And then keep pinching all the way up, like that. And then put your hands back into the corner and pull them toward the corner, just like that. Then you pull it up, you've got your corners here. You see how tight it is? So that's it. Now we got to get this bad boy zipped up, right? So then you push your hand down. Let me turn it towards you. Push your hand down, pull at the corner, and zip at the same time. It's a pretty tight pillow to pillowcase ratio, but it's my favorite. Get it zipped up, and then of course you flip it, and you zhuzh it, and kind of like fluff it a little bit, and that's it. That's your pillow, and I like to like do that too. And that's it. You got your pillow stuffed. And it's super tight, and it's gonna look nice and formal on whatever outdoor space you decide to put it on. Y'all go stuff some pillows.